is Andreas Fahrt. I'm a chemist. I'm working for the university in Furtwangen. I'm teaching physical chemistry, and I have swam the Rhine from its beginning at the Lake Thoma to the mouth of the Rhine, where it is in Hoek van Holland. It was 1,200 kilometers to make people aware of water quality, that it's not done when we go to the toilet and we are sick and take antibiotics and then we flush the toilet and we think the sewage system will clean anything up, but that's not the case. It was a short track swimming. It was for pleasure to start the conference, so it wasn't a hard job. I was afraid because of the temperature, but it was okay. I could manage it with 7 degrees. So, but now I have cold feet, cold hands, and I'm going to take a hot shower.